Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, and healing, abundance, and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is a shining light. You're the lamp unto our feet, the light into our path. You're lighting the way. Make sure that you keep that light on. You're the wise woman and wise man of the universe. So everyone is tapping into your genuine knowledge, your intelligence, because you know the way and you're leading us on our way to safety and breakthrough. So are you guys ready? Continue to move forward. Let your light shine, baby, shine. Let that intellect glow. My intellect and my desire to improve myself transforms fear into strength. Fear fears you. Once you look in that eye, I guarantee it runs the other way and you're on your way to prosperity, baby. I raise my thoughts above doubt and find faith in the goodness of the universe. I love and accept myself as a soul and discover the light that dwells within me. And it lights up the world not only for myself, but for the rest of the world. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.